Hello everyone, welcome back to iCAD. In this tutorial we'll be designing this sketch. It's available in the description or you can take a screenshot, but I would suggest downloading it from the link in the description. Anyways, let's get started. I'll take front plane and I'll take the rectangle midpoints. Yep, 20 mm. This is 70 mm. Done. We need to extend this for 60 mm from mid plane. And you can either do blind, whatever you want, but I always want to do from mid plane because it's at the center, it's symmetrical, so if I have to mirror some features I can easily do it. I don't have to worry about creating another plane. Now I'll take this plane and this will be 60 minus 50, no I'm sorry, 20, 40 mm. Okay, it's 40 by 40 and that is 40 again. Now this midpoint is vertical to the origin. Done. Make sure this is set to construction. Take a 3-point arc and the arc has to be tangential to both the edges, so that means the center point should lie on this particular line. That's it. And also, when you can either do a cut later, but since we can already extrude it from the cut, I would prefer doing this 15 mm. You can extrude the solid body and then you can make a 15 mm cut, but that will add another feature. I'm just avoiding that. And now we'll extend this for 20 mm, not from mid plane but from sketch plane on the other side. And you saw there's a 10 mm curve here, so we'll give that. We'll go to fillet, 10 mm, edge 1 and 2. Now we have the 10 mm fillet. On the other side, there are a few things we should do. First, I've taken this face for my sketch, and I will go vertical to the origin and then draw a circle of 60 mm diameter. Okay, now I will go to dimensions, and the dimension of this circle from the origin is 60 mm. Yes, it is 60 mm, and it has to be vertically aligned with the origin. And we need to extend this circle, a cylinder, for 40 mm, and that's on the other side. 40 mm. Done. Next is, let's create the contour board now. Whole wizard. Contour board. And we know that we'll choose ANSI metric and we'll go to custom sizing because the through hole is 20 mm and the contour bore is 30 mm and for a depth of 6 mm. Now let's go to positioning, select the face, and it has to be concentric. That's it. Done. And now our contour bore is now ready. Let's go to the same plane. All we need to do next is take a line, make sure it's tangential, and again repeat the same over here. Tangential, convert entities, trim the rest. Done. We need to extend this for 10 mm. Oh, Now that is 10 mm. I just realized a simple mistake that I did. I'll just show you guys what that is. The distance from here to here must be 25 mm, but now it is actually 30 mm, which means this particular boss, it's not 40 on the one direction, it's 35 on one direction, and on the other it's 5 mm. So overall it's 40. So your diagram should look, I mean, yeah, now our model is similar to what they've shown in the diagram. The last step is very simple, giving rib. Just select line, edge 1, vertices 1, vertices 2, done. And we need to just make sure it's piercing this, it's not coincident. And now go to feature, rib, that's it. Yep, 10 mm, select the body, click OK. The rib is now ready, and that's it.